Take a moment to check out the 2021 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, remote engine start, satellite radio, premium sound system. Don't settle for average when you can have excellent. Drive the Compass.